how to see your archived Instagram stories. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your archived Instagram stories. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram is currently up to date. For this page, if it says open, that means that your Instagram is currently updated and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button anywhere your page, just tap on that so you will be updating your Instagram app and have the latest features, especially the feature of being able to archive stories within the app. Once you have made sure of that, just head on and open Instagram over here. And from your home page, make sure that we are currently at the profile page. So if you're from any other page, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And after that, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. And you should see the option that says archive. So just tap on that. Or if you don't see the archive option from here, you can also go to settings and type in the search bar archive. And just tap on the archive option. And to see the archived Instagram stories we have on our account, just click on this drop down menu option right here. And you should see the option stories archive. So in here, you should see the list of your archived Instagram stories, and take note that only you can see your memories and archived stories unless you choose to share them. So that is how you can basically see your archived Instagram stories. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.